Now, the first thing you want to do is head on over to the fayi.com.au website. So you've got the URL just up here. So fayi.com.au. And along the top bar, click on Log In. Now, as soon as you've made a purchase within the Fayi online shop, it will automatically set up an account for you. In this section, you want to use the email address that you entered when you placed the order. If you don't remember your email address, or if you made a mistake on the order with your email address, then it may not have come through to you. And if you have any issues with that, feel free to reach out to us on Facebook Messenger or by email, and we'll try and help you find your email address. Now, I'm going to use mine as an example. This is my personal email address. Let's see, my password. Click on login. So here I am. This is what the back end looks like, and this is your dashboard. On the left hand side, if I click on orders, I'll see all of the orders that I've placed in the past. And if I click on downloads, I'll be able to see the products that I have downloaded and also how many downloads are remaining. So you see on the left hand side is the name of the product. If you click on one of these buttons here, the name of the product, it will actually take you back to the shop. So don't do that, okay? A lot of people having issues with that, they're clicking on that button. Instead, you want to click in this column over here which says download, okay? So if we go down over here and I'm going to find the Ultimate Detox, I'm going to click this black box on the right and it will download it to my computer. So here it is over here, downloading. And once it finishes downloading, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to save that PDF book onto my device. So whether that be my laptop, my phone, or my iPad, or whatever it is that you use. Okay, so to do that from my computer, I'm going to hit over here this download button. And choose where I want to save it on my computer. So I'm going to save it to my desktop and hit save. And that's how you save your ebook to your device. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.